light, brake light working, hazard light working, middle light working. What happened to this side? Not working. I'll show you what happened inside. And try to fool. Right, see? All burn. See, that's why it will come. Once it come out, I'm leave the other connector here. Don't going to mix up the line. It's come. Remove bulbs from here and transfer to new one. Right, all done. It should be worked out. Ignition not on. That's why it's not working. Check the brake. Check the brake. All working. All fine. Welcome to the channel. I'm Charlie from Sanu Motors. Today I got Audi A1 2011 model. This is common problem for the VW group cars. I'll show you what I mean in a minute. If you still not subscribe my channel, please do it now and press bell icon and get my new videos. If you have any question, comment, suggestion, please mention below. I'll come back to you as soon as possible. I'll show you what happened of this car. Stay with me. On. You can see as it is. This light, brake light working, hazard light working, middle light working. What happened to this side? Not working. I'll show you what happened inside. I'm going to open door. Right. After that, we need to remove this cover and this one. After that, we have access to the light. After that, you need to 10mm socket. Two plastic nut. After that, we need to forget to tell you another one behind this cover. You need to pull. Then after that, you have a access inside here. You can see when you remove it, do it very gently. If it dropped, it's going inside. Right. Normally you need to press this tab and pull, then this connector will come out. However, this scenario it won't come because inside burn and damage the connectors. However, what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove this holder. You need to press this tab, and one tab here. It will come out. After that, I'm going to leave out of the ray light. See, inside all melted. Right, now I'm going to insert my hook and try to pull. Right, see, all burn. That's why it won't come out. However, now it's out. When I see from the back, you can see how damaged inside. Very dangerous. Anyway, I'm going to replace this complete unit and the wire harness. Need to lift up this pink flap. Right. After that, there is a special tool to remove these inside clips. I'll show you. You need like this tool to this job. I'll add link in the description. You can buy if you want. Basically, you need a like this tool and press in here and there. Press until it's going in. Once it's going in, you need to pull from other side. Just press in like this and pull. See, it will come. Once it come out, I'm leave the other connector here. Don't going to mix up the line. It's come right side, second line, right side, second line. Lift up this tab and press in. It's going locked. Then after that, I'm going to the black one. Same way you have to follow until end. I'm not changing any these lines because all good. Only I'm going to change this brown color one. Other line I leave it as it is. This wire burn out. I can't use it. I'm going to cut here and reconnect new connector and install here. After that, I'm going to connect to the connector. Right. I already soldered the wire and fixed the connector. Next step, I need to remove bulbs from here and transfer to new one. Right, all done. This one, check it out. Right, after that I'm going to fix the connector. Right, nice and in. We'll see what happened there. See, it's working. What is this blink light? Indicator. I'm going to fix the power. Right. In. After that, down. Now I can see what am I doing. After that, need to install this nut. This is the tricky one. Nice and tight. After that, need to install this cover. Just in, right. This one need to start from here, out end, and press in like this. Yeah. Final one. Right. Job done. After that, I want to make sure all light working. You can see indicator work. light. Is it working? Brake light, it's worked. Have a look for me. Reverse working. It should be worked now. Ignition not on. That's why it's not working. Check the brake. Check the brake. All working. All fine. Thank you. Thanks for watching. If your tail light not working, you know what to do now. Check the connectors. If you need change, you can buy everything from VW Group. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and follow our channels. You can get our new videos and useful tips. See you with another video.
Thanks for watching.